How to create a Wikipedia account. So if you want to create a Wikipedia account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and make sure to have a stable internet connection. And now in the search bar, search for Wikipedia, sign up. And after searching, on the first search you will have Wikipedia, create an account, click on that. And now if you want to create a Wikipedia account, and then on the upper right corner you will have create account option, click on create account. And on the left side you will have these options. So to create an account, first you have to enter your username, and after entering your username, on the next blank you have to create a password, and after creating a password you have to enter your password again to confirm it, and after entering your password, on the next blank you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email you have to enter the text that you see on this image, and after entering the text click on create your account. And now you have to answer some questions, or you can also skip this survey. And that's it. That's how you create your Wikipedia account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.